Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I took my lunch break. I stepped out on my lunch break to go to the harbor. I'm trying to pick up. Oh my god, look at this accident somewhere here. I don't have time for this. I got a detour. Thing is, I don't know these streets. Okay, GPS on. It's gonna reroute me. But I am going to the harbor to pick up some stuff that my mom sent for me. Okay, the GPS is reading.
In 200 meters, turn left onto Fritz Lane.
Anyways guys, I just wanted to fill you guys in, let you guys know what I'm doing. I don't vlog much in the car anymore. It's too noisy. When I'm like editing the video, it's annoying. I'm like, I wouldn't want to listen to this, so I decided I won't vlog much in the car anymore. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a few. So that was a fail. I'm back at work. I didn't get the package. Emissy was too excited because she sent it on Tuesday. Today's Thursday. They say won't be there until tomorrow, which is Friday. And I don't think I'm going up. No, I'm definitely not going to get it tomorrow. So probably gonna pick it up on Monday. So I'm back at work. Gonna go in. I'm hot. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's Monday. I went back to the harbor to pick up the package. Remember, I went there on Thursday, but they said it wouldn't be there until Friday. But I didn't get the chance to go back on Friday, so I went today, and I have it with me right now. I'm always expecting a small box, but then my mom is in a big thing. Like, what all in this soap? So it's the box, it's the package. Ooh. I'm gonna open it home with you guys, because there's some things in it that I've been waiting on, like my juicer and my bed sheet. I can't wait to feels like it. Start using them, start juicing, change my bed sheet. Not that I don't have any more, but I like new things. Who don't like new things? Anyways guys, I'm gonna head back to work. I'm on my lunch break, so let me do that, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. If you made it this far in the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below and say what's up, say how you doing, how your day going. Hopefully your day going good and your week is off to a great start. Okay guys, I'm home from work. I'm gonna do this unboxing with you guys really quickly, like super quick, just because I said I was gonna do it online. I need a knife, not a butter knife. Okay, jeez. Oh, I see my blender. Oh, let's take it apart. I'll take it up together. Okay, this is the bed sheet. Gonna be pretty. I love the color. This color is so nice. Mint green. And then this is the juicer. I'll show you guys more when I'm actually using it. I'm excited to use it. And then I got some stuff. My sister bought me some stuff. Oh, she bought me underwear. You don't need to see that. Oh, this is a nice surprise. I wasn't expecting no lobster. Oh my god, I gotta tell her. Why she surprised me like that? I got milk, some Jamaican Alaska milk, strawberry. She surprised me. I wasn't expecting that. Oh, she bought me a little diary, a little book. Oh, this is from my mom. You know I love to write. I always write in something. Free your mind. Yes, definitely gonna free my mind. Write it down. Okay. And then just bought some toys, knickknacks. She purchased for my business, for Mini-Me. You guys know I sell kits, clothes, and stuff like that. So toys for when I'm doing gift packages. I can put them in there. And then she purchased some balloons. So it's a girl, it's a boy. Balloon also to resell. And I purchased these bottles, baby bottles. Also for my business, for Mini-Me. Put it in baby shower gift packages as well. Why is it so hard to open? You know what? I'll leave it in there. But it came in the pack. Oh, my mom sent me shampoo. Yes. What are these? Ooh, makeup sponge. Okay. Oh, foundation and stuff. That's my sister, I know. And some jewelry. I think these look like anklets or bracelets. Also my sister. Thank you, Monique. I'm gonna message you after this video. Yeah. Yep. More toys in the bottom here, basically, and stuff for my mom business. Those exfoliating gloves for your face. Yeah. Nails. Press on nails. Also my sister, so she sent me a lot of little knickknacks, things that I wasn't expecting. That's a pleasant surprise. I'm gonna talk to her now. More press on nails. Oh my gosh. Okay. I have so much to do right now. That's why I'm kind of rushing. I'm excited to put this on. This weekend, I'm gonna change the sheet. Yes. I'm excited for that milk, that Alaska milk. That's surprising. I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting jewelry. I wasn't expecting makeup stuff. She just surprised me. Feel good. Feel like Christmas. Anyways, guys, that's what came in the box. I'm gonna message my mom and my sister and show some appreciation. See you guys in the next clip. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.